Hi everyone, in this tutorial we're going to learn how to create a TikTok ads for your dropshipping business. Now, dropshipping is actually one of the easiest business that you can do because you don't really have to buy a bunch of product or to develop a bunch of product and then sell it to other people. Sometimes the problem with that kind of business is if somehow you cannot sell those products, it will just ended up turning into junks or just things, useless things that you will ended up not being able to get a profit from. But with drop shipping, you'll be able to actually get a profit without having to let go a lot of money, a lot of expenses in order to buy the product first. But the downside of dropshipping is sometimes it's a little bit tricky to market it because you don't actually have a product on hand unless you do have the sample of the product, but it still also will limit you in creating either it's a video or pictures for your product. So if you don't really know how to advertise your dropshipping product, I think TikTok is one of the platforms that is going to help you quite a lot. Now, first thing first, what you're going to do is you're going to want to log in into your TikTok account. If you haven't got an account yet, you can always sign up either with your phone number, your email, or your Facebook, Google, Line, Twitter. They actually have quite a lot of selection on how you can sign up as well as logged in into your TikTok. Once you got your TikTok account created, you're going to want to create another account, which is going to be your TikTok business account. Yes, those two are two different things. You cannot use only your regular TikTok account. You will have to create another ads account for your campaigns, or if you want to create just any ads in general. So first account you will have to create in this tiktok.com/login or sign up if you haven't had any TikTok account, and then the second one you can go search for TikTok business or TikTok ads, and then you're going to start creating your TikTok ads account through this page right here. Basically, just like how you always create any account, you can add your email, your password, and then repeat the password, and you will get a verification code, and then you can start and register to create a TikTok ads account. Once you're done with that, you will want to go to ads.tiktok.com. So here I'm going to choose one of the ads manager that I got, which is my Shopify account, because that is where I put my dropshipping products ad. So I'm going to go ahead and choose that one. And I'm going to choose to create my ads on basic mode. So you can choose whether you want to create your ads on advanced mode or basic mode. Basically, with advanced mode, you will get more options to settings on your campaigns or on your ads. I'm just going to go ahead and continue with the basic ones for now. Now, let's say that the goal that I want for today is going to be website conversion. Now, before anything else, when you're trying to create an ad or a campaign, you will want to set the goal first. Depends on what you're searching for. But if we're talking about the drop shipping businesses, of course, you will want your goals to be people buying your product. And for my case right here, I want it to be the website conversion first because I don't see there is a sales or like product buying goals on this one. So I'm going to go ahead and go with the website conversion. Then I'm going to continue. And here I'm going to set on my pixels since I already installed TikTok pixels into my Shopify. And what it does is that with pixels, I'll be able to track on actions that are happening on my website so that I know how many people comes to my website, which page are they opening, what product do they look at the most, etc., etc. And then let's say that the event that I would like to track is a complete payment, because again, in dropshipping, obviously I want people to buy my product, so that is the thing that I'm looking at the most. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to want to set on the location for where our ads will be shown the most to. Basically, in this spot, you're going to want to create an ad group consisting of not just the location actually, but as well as the demographic, as well as interests and behavior. So here I can set on whether I want my ads to be shown only in my local area, which is Indonesia, or if I want it to go even broader to, let's say, I want my product to sell like all across the world, I can add more than just one country if I want to. So I can just select on whichever countries I want. I'm just going to stick with Indonesia for now. And for the demographic, let's say mainly the product that I have on my dropshipping website consists of female product. And let's see how it affect if I choose a specific gender for my ads. You can see on the right side of your screen, there is an audience size parameter that shows the amount of people I might be able to reach if I, let's say, choose a specific gender. And if I put it to all, it's broader. So let's say that I'm going to go to all, but I do want to limit my age into probably this age group. And then for the languages, I'm just going to choose all language. And for the interest and behavior, you can actually set categories to make it even more specific. And then I can also choose on the behavior of the people who will carry out the following interactions on the video. I can choose whether I want them to be the people who tends to watch every video till the end, or tends to like the video, commented, shared, etc. I'm just going to leave it blank for now. Now this is one of the most important things besides the ads group and the ads design. And overall, you want to set the budget for your ads. So most of the time, the more money you put on your ads is going to make your ads even better. But that's not always the case. So if this is your first time, I do recommend you to go on the average amount of money to spend on your ads. You can try to search it on Google or ask for your friends who have experience creating an ads on TikTok. You can try to ask them on what is the most decent money you can spend in order to create an ad. And now this is where you can start and design your ads. You can choose whether you want it to be your TikTok post. If you already have like a video or a carousel on your TikTok, you can choose it and turn it into your ads. Or if you would like to add any ads video, you can also upload a separate video from your computer and use it as your ads. Now on the right side of your screen, you'll be able to see on the preview of how your video will look like. You can even play it to see if it works well or not. Just make sure that you don't use any copyrighted music or videos for your ads. And then you can set the call to action and even put a URL that people can visit later on. So if you're like me and you're using Shopify as your dropshipping platform, you can put that URL into this box right here so that people will be able to visit your shop and then take a look at another product that you're selling over there. And once you're done with that, you can go ahead and click on submit, and you're good to go. And that's basically it. That is how you can use TikTok ads to promote your dropshipping business. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.